What's up? Donovan Mitchell here. Just had a design session with New Era. Got to do and see so many things behind the scenes, you know, how to put together a dope looking cap, and it's just a lot of fun, man. You just go out there and just kind of creating stuff that I find cool, that relates to me, relates to Utah. For my logo, you know, you obviously got the little spider theme, you got a basketball in there, I kind of got a shield, and there's a lot of deeper stuff to it. You know, a shield is kind of just like my life. You know, I've always been kind of tight together. I have my mom as my protection, my mom and sister, and obviously the spider because of my nickname. And then of course you got to have the basketball in there, because without basketball, you know, none of this is possible. This selection of caps, you know, I think you see different sides of me. You see the professional, you see the family side, you see the college side, the history, you know, even though I'm 22 years old, but it allows you just to kind of be in different areas. You know, I love dad hats, I love snapbacks, I love 950s, you know, I love all different types of hats, so I think it allows you to kind of go on the journey with me.